Hey you guys, you ready for Name That Boat part? Let's do it. Hey guys, welcome back to Name That Boat part.
Today we are going to do a lot of fun stuff. First of all, those of you that was playing with us last week, what was the name of that boat part? The Cron Siren! So you guys, so many of you got it right. Well done. So many of you got hilarious comments. Thank you so much. It was the Cron Siren. And today also we're gonna pick a new winner for the Sun God sunglasses.
Alright you guys, so you're gonna play Name That Boat part and wait to the end to find out who won the Sun God sunglasses.
Okay, so
I don't actually know what you went with for the boat part.
So today's boat part is a two-letter word. Once again.
Two-letter word? What is a two? I can't even think of a two-letter word other than two or as or is.
Okay, sorry, let's do that again.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's wrong.
But it's funny. This part is used in an application that causes a great bit of tension. Is it marriage?
This part is really an integral part in your rigging. So when I lost this part, I almost died. It can be on the port side or starboard side of your boat. Not fastened properly will be exposed to vibration, and that is when stuff breaks. What's the next clue?
Let me see. It requires split pins.
This, in conjunction with split pins, will not have the mast come down on your head. It also consists of two threaded eyeballs. And the other clue that I can give you is that it turns to the left on the one side and turns to the right on the other side.
This piece can seriously get you hurt if you don't pay attention to it.
It's also known as a stretching screw or a bolted screw. So
Siri
I'm
just woke up.
pretty sure
She wants to answer.
pretty sure you know what it is, and you guys are yelling out, it is a... What's it called?
So have you had any experience with
Yes.
one of these?
So I was
Blank.
sailing out of Bonaire Island on my way to Venezuela on a 47-foot swan. I had two crew on board, a chef and I had also a deckhand. I was the captain on the boat that I was captaining at the time. Just as we came around Bonaire and we set sail towards Venezuela and I put the boat into the wind, we're on a close haul, I just hear and I looked
Never a good sound.
Look forward, and the mast, which is an aluminum mast, just wants to come down, and on the starboard side the rigging is completely loose. Primary rigging had come loose and one of the secondary shroud rigging. So the mast obviously wants to come down, and I find out that this part that we're talking about was never secured with split pins. And it was a big lesson that I learned. It was not my boat. I was captaining the boat. I had done a lot of checks on the boat. I did not check this. From that day forward, I will always check that part.
So some of the guys that race sailboats will throw split pins onto the deck just to kind of jam up the other team because they're worried that these things have come.
After a night passage, you walk on deck and you look for split pins. And if you find a split pin, you bloody well make sure you know where that thing's coming from, because if it comes from one of these, then that's going to happen to you. So long story short, I managed to get the boat out of the wind, get the sail down, and somehow just got the rigging fit back together. I don't know once again how I did that, but adrenaline and strength comes to play when stuff like this happens, and we all live. I'm still here.
I guess that's all the clues.
Today also we're gonna pick a new winner for the Sun God sunglasses.
Very exciting. All right, let's do that right now. Drum roll, please.
Well done, Caesar. You won yourself a pair of amazing Sun God sunglasses. Make contact with us and they're going to send you those sunglasses. For all the other people that's on here, please send us some amazing stories and some great boat parts that you want us to name at MissLoneStarAdventure@gmail.com.
Hey, thank you guys so much for watching Name That Boat Part, and we will see you next time on Go See Sailing Miss Lone Star. Woo!